Hi, today we're painting a really easy sunny woodland landscape. First I'm making a very pale blue by adding a little bit of phthalo blue and cobalt blue to white, and I'm taking half of that mix and adding a tiny bit of sap green. The background's going to be quite blurry. We won't see a lot of it because there'll be a lot of foliage in front, so we really just want to give an indication of some trees and leaves in the background. I'm blocking out the main sections of the painting just to create a bit of a guide for when we add more details later. The colours are going to be a lot fainter and more gentle in the distance, and then as I'm moving forward I'm going to slowly build up the intensity, but again most of this will be covered with foliage, so I'm not too worried about the details. You can use a medium round brush, and I'm also using a fan brush to add the foliage, whatever is most comfortable for you. We'll start with a darker colour and then we'll gradually add our lighter leaves where the sunlight is shining through. Now it's time to add that really nice dappled light coming through the treetops. For this I'm using some burnt sienna, a little bit of cadmium yellow, a little bit of cadmium orange and white, and I'm using that just to block out the areas on the ground and on the tree. And here are some other videos that I think you'll like to watch next.